Piny Kenya ngire Abraham Kithure kindiko yango ni piny Kenya osegoyo okang' mar arieya e bero chenro giiko mag uchumi pacho kaendi nyaka gi kinde ni chakre ne gikaw telo ka utwak bure Nairobi oyango ni achiedh nade nindo mar midhusi mar corona kaachiel kod lweny mane nitie kind piny Russia kaachiel kod Ukraine nomiyo nengo mwandu mopogore opogore oidho malo kendo piny Kenya ne nitie kod gope mathoth masani koro gisetemo duoko kendo chenro duto koro bedo kare ka oyango ni mago biro kaluwore kod winjruok makare mantiere pacho kaendi mabende osemiyo giketo lai makare mar dongruoge kaachiel kod neno ni uchumi obedo kare.
The economy of Kenya was in bad shape because of a number of factors, mainly the disruption of the supply chains because of the war in Ukraine and Russia, the COVID-19 pandemic that has shut down our economy for more than a year, and other shocks, including the droughts that had ravaged our country. Because of these economic shocks, our economy was in bad shape. Kenya was one of the 6 countries in Africa that had been predicted to default in their sovereign debt, the others being Ethiopia, Chad, Ghana, Gambia, and Zambia. Out of the 6 countries, including Kenya, that had been predicted to default in their sovereign debt obligations, only Kenya survived. All the other 5 countries defaulted. Why? Because immediately you were sworn in office, you made very difficult, painful, and unpopular decisions that helped bring our economy back on track, including negotiating a G2G arrangement for the supply of crude oil, which was not available in 2022 September. People were queuing to buy petrol. And we saw the escalation of costs of petrol, which is a big contributor to inflation. It kept on increasing until it reached a high of 2018 shillings a litre. Over the last 3 years, Your Excellency, through your leadership, and with the support of the broad-based administration, we've been able to bring down a number of macroeconomic indicators that were affecting our economic environment.